Welcome to Help for Good Learning. My name is Ashish Gadpaile. I am your Java trainer. So guys, in the last video, we have discussed the problem statement 1. Okay. So we have created a program by using the inheritance. Okay. So this was the problem statement. Now let's discuss the problem statement 2. Like we have to create a class that is abstract class. Okay, bank account. So in the last program, our class was a normal class, that is bank account. So now that bank account will be the our abstract class. So now the bank account is having the two abstract methods and two non-abstract methods. So non-abstract we have, that is inputCustData and showCustData. And then we have the abstract methods like deposit and withdraw. Okay. Now what I'm doing is I have to create two subclasses, that is saving account and current account, that will extend the bank account class. Okay, and we will implement the abstract methods in that account. Okay, so guys, we have already code like bank account. Okay, now as per the problem statement, what we have to do, we have to make bank account class as an abstract class. Okay, so this class is abstract class. Okay, and if it is an abstract class, then what we have to do, and we have these two methods, means add cus data and show cus data is a non-abstract methods, and these two methods we need. Okay, in saving account class, correct? So in saving account class, we need these two methods, and in the saving account already withdraw method is available. So no need to mention the withdraw methods now. Now what I'm doing is, I have to declare these methods as abstract. Okay. So we have two abstract methods, that is withdraw method. Okay. And then we have, this is my abstract method. Okay. Abstract. Okay, so this is my abstract method, and now this method we have to implement in the saving account that extend the bank account. Now it is the correct syntax. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to create the saving account class, and let's check first if it is working or not, then we will implement as per the saving account and bank account. Okay, now let me execute the code. Okay, so my program is JavaC banking system.java and banking system, add customer detail, then customer name I am entering, sorry, customer account number. So this is my account number, customer name I have entered, city I have entered, then showing record is added, show the customer details. Okay, yes, it is working. Now let's check amount is deposited or not. So we are going to deposit like 3,000 we are going to deposit, showing amount is deposited. And in the 4 we want to withdraw, suppose I want to withdraw 3500, it's showing amount should be, minimum amount should be 1,000, and suppose I want to withdraw 1,000 rupees, here it is withdraw. Okay, means this code is working fine. Now what I have to do as per the problem statement, let's check. We have to create two classes, that is saving account and current account, that extend the bank account class and implement the respective methods to handle the deposits and withdrawal. Okay, now what we are doing here, we are doing the copy paste of this saving account. Okay, what I'm doing, I'm doing copy paste of the saving account, then this class is current account. Okay, so current account is also having the same functionality. Okay, current account and saving account. Okay, now what I'm doing is, like while adding the data I can mention like, do you have current account or saving account? Okay, so what I can do is, I'm having the multiple options to handle this, but what I'm doing is I'm checking it in the while loop. Okay, current account or saving account. Okay. So press 1 for current account and press 2 for saving account. Okay. Saving account. Press 2 for saving account. Okay. Now I have to accept the value like int n1 I want to accept, int n1 sc dot sc1 object we have to take here. So sc1 dot next int I have accepted the value. Now what I'm doing is if n1 is equals to 1, okay, so we are doing these operations as we are doing these operations for saving account, okay, or sorry, current account, okay. Else if else if n1 equals to 2, so we are doing operations for the current account and saving account, okay. So what we did, we have already object that is saving account. So what I'm doing is I'm having the class saving account objects, that is, for example, SA, and then I'm having the current account object, current account, okay, and current account object name is like CA, for example. So this is my current account object, okay. So I have created two objects here, that is saving account and current account, okay. Now if we are in the options like one for current account and two for saving accounts, if it work, then what we are doing, like if n is equals to 1, so we will call, means it is working for the saving account, correct? So we will call by SC, sorry, C, okay, CA dot, okay, and if it is 2 means for saving account, so SA dot, okay, okay. And then what we are doing here, we can also mention the message like this is my current account, okay, slash d, okay. And what is here, this is my saving account, okay, this is my current account and this is my saving account, okay. Now what we are doing, let me execute this code, but before executing I should mention the message like just a minute, uh, updated amount is, we have to show here updated amount, and in the saving account we have to also mention the saving account, okay. Now I think it is working, and guys, here we are doing the abstraction, so we are having two abstract methods, that is deposit and withdraw. So what we did, we have extended a bank account here in saving account and implemented deposit and withdraw. Again, we have created a class that is current account. That method is already declared inside the bank account, so that is also implemented in the current account, okay. So now let me execute, okay, let me check what is the output. No error is there. Now one for saving account, okay, sorry, current account, then add customer details. So this is my account number, my name Ashish, and current city is like the current city is like Nagpur we are mentioning, and record is added, okay. Again it is showing for one for current account, two for saving account. So my current account was there, okay. and show customer details. So let me show. Yes, it is showing. Again, it is showing one for current account and three for deposit. Okay. Then deposit is working or not. Yes, amount is deposited. This is my current account, and four for withdraw, and to withdraw some amount, it is working fine. Okay. Now the main problem is like if I am in current account. Okay, so this every time it is showing like one for current account and two for saving account. Okay, or otherwise suppose I want to add information for the current saving account, no, so that will not work here. So maybe what we can do is like we can do this copy paste outside a loop, outside a while loop, so it will ask only once, like for current account and for saving account. But again, we are having the option, like suppose I'm mentioning here two for saving account. Okay, now I'm adding the customer data, like this is my current account and sorry, saving account, and customer name is Vijay. He belongs to Pune, and record is added two for saving account, two for show customer details. Yes, Vijay is showing. Suppose I want to show the customer detail for the saving account. So in the saving account, we have added account for account details for Ashish, and in the current account, we have added the account details for the Vijay. Okay. CS, it is working fine. Okay. I think no need of changes. Then again, like suppose I want to do some deposit. So let me check deposit function is working or not. It is working. And suppose I want to do some withdraw amount. Okay. Sorry. It is showing just to mention. Then what we are doing? We are doing the withdraw operations, and it is asking for withdraw. So amount is withdraw. Okay. Now for exiting, we have to mention here exit option. I didn't given the option here. So let me again go into the current account and 04 exit. Okay, it is stopping the loop. Okay. Now what I have to made it changes. Let me give the option to exit this. Okay. So 3 for exit. 3 for exit, and else 3 for exit, or else if we press anything, like it will be exited, like system dot exit. Okay, 0. Let me check it is working or not, guys. 3 for exit, it is working. uh then let me compile bug once again. We have added some data. Okay. City is Nagpur, right? And then what we are doing, we want to try exit from this. Yes, it is also working. So guys, we have achieved the second milestone, that is second problem statement we have solved, and my code is updated till 1 to 1 line. So this was my second problem statement. I hope you are enjoying my Java code. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and stay connected.